or you need approval of the closer friends who will say, you know what, if you tweak it a little bit, if you add this, if you do this, or it's all in you. Look, it's your own vision and that's it.
It's a good question, Alex. The thing is that you have to listen to what people are saying. So when I come from music, right? So I'm a producer. I'll be in the studio and I'll be with people and I'll be making a beat. Now the beat might be something that I like. I'm like, yo, it's rad. But what are the other people? Are they bobbing their heads? If they are, then it's good. If they're not, then something's not hitting. And you got to be smart also about your creativity. You can't box it in and hold it and say this is it. If it's not this, then it's not gonna happen. You got to let it go. And you got to listen and be smart and listen to what people are saying, because people are going to give you their honest opinion. It's almost like being around children. Children are just going to tell you, this is what I think of this. And you got to drop your ego and be like, okay, what's best for this vision so that it can actualize the most. So you got to listen to people, but you also got to listen to yourself and say like, well, I think this is going to be hot. Like, even if other people around you tell me like, no, that's whack, you should do this, you should do that. You do have to stick by your own.
Okay, one of the things that YouTube Space provides, it's a platform we can use the Studio A, the big one hall in front, and we can invite our friends and we can have a band there. With your numbers, you certainly can book something like this. With my numbers, I'm still not allowed. Perhaps maybe I would love to assist you. Maybe you can book it in your name and we can produce some big event. But especially I'm thinking about during the fashion week. We can have a lot of models. We can have a band and we can have a great art performing event there. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want Duke to maybe consider that for real and get it done, please comment, please write to us, please write ideas that you think that kind of matters to you. Maybe he will grace you with answer and look at your ideas and maybe implement some. Thank you so much for watching. And subscribe to his channel. What's your channel? Tell him.
Shinobininja Music.
Thank you. Okay. Let me give you a quick run. I'll show you another studio here.
Okay, that's finished?
Yeah, that's
Okay,
finished.
so
We're gonna move to the next one. Young lady, you're gonna be on. Oh, let me mic you out. Let me take you for a quick walk and we will come back. Just give us a second.
Great advice. Thank you.